Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Melinda from 1 Minute Mom. Today I'm going to share a great free planning resource with you. If you are needing to free up time for yourself, as a work-from-home mom, tutor or online teacher, this free planning resource will give you a huge boost to your day. I created the resource as a tool for my own schooling from home setup. It's a brilliant planner that allows you to plan out the next 6 weeks, 1 week at a time. It's designed for your spelling curriculum needs and allows you to set goals for the week, track the goals, and will even add an extra free bonus of a brilliant free workbook that can help you with this journey. I also have another brilliant tool to bring even more freedom to your day. Here's a little bit about it. Imagine you could get your kids flying in their reading and spelling ability with no effort on your part. Think of how much more time you'd have to spend with your child in playing and bonding. Perhaps you'd finally read that amazing book from your childhood to them. Or get that home project completed, the one you've been trying to get to in weeks. Or perhaps you'd even finish off that pesky project at the office and look like a superwoman to the boss. You can simply click on the link below this video to access the resource. I'll even throw in a free video on how to use it once you download it.